Myself Vinod sir and you are watching Perfect Math Solution. Now I brought a new topic, class 12th chapter number 5, differentiation, derivative of the inverse trigonometric function. Student, इसके पहले मैंने एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था जिसमें प्रूफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन हमने डिटेल में देखा था। उसी फॉर्मूलों को, थ्योरम्स को यूज करते हुए इस एक्सरसाइज 5.3 को डिटेल में सॉल्व करते हैं। स्टूडेंट, पहले आपको क्या करना है, सबसे पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक करना है, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, साथ में हमारा मोटिवेशन बढ़ाने के लिए आपको बेल आइकन को भी टच करना है ताकि आपको सारे हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले मिल सके। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, इनवर्स डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन है आपके पास। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स, साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. After that, derivative of sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon x under root 1 minus x square minus 1, and derivative of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. By using this inverse trigonometric function, we will solve exercise 5.3, question number first. Student, question number first, differentiate sin inverse x under root cos x with respect to x. We have to differentiate this question. Okay, now look, solution y is equal to sin inverse under root cos x. Okay, and we have the formula of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Means here x, and in place of x here we got cot under root cos x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root, स्टूडेंट बराबर ध्यान देना, 1 माइनस x के जगह क्या आ जाएगा, अंडर रूट cos x होल स्क्वायर इनटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ जो एंगल है उसका भी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अंडर रूट cos x, क्लियर। देन 1 upon under root, this under root and square cancel, then what will remain, 1 minus cos x. Differentiation of this derivative of under root x is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x. ये डेरिवेटिव है अंडर रूट x का. By using this we can write this as like 2 into under root cos x. हो गया. अब क्या हो गया, अंडर रूट के अंदर जो भी है उसका डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा d by dx cos x is equal to what will get, this 1 upon 2 into under root 1 minus cos x into under root 1 minus under root 1 upon cos x into minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Then you will get answer minus sin x upon 2 into under root cos x into 1 minus cos under root 1 minus cos x. This is an answer. Student, now question number second, differentiate tan inverse under root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x with respect to x. Student, here we have some identities, some formulae. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay, here 2 theta, so here converted into single. यहाँ पे डबल है तो उसका आधा हाफ यहाँ पे हो गया, यहाँ पे भी हाफ है, डबल है तो यहाँ पे हाफ है। अगर मान लो कि ये क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार होता है, cos 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 into cos square थीटा बाय 2, एंगल यहाँ पे 1 है तो उसका हाफ हो जाएगा। देन 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 मीन्स इन दिस प्लेस यू कैन पुट दिस टू फार्मूले। ओके, नाउ सॉल्यूशन y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Okay, now 1 plus cos x 1 plus cos theta. Okay, यहाँ पे थीटा आ गया, वहाँ पे x आ गया, तो फार्मूला क्या हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू tan x अंडर रूट 2 इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर x बाई 2 अपॉन 2 इंटू साइन square x by 2, this two cancel, then cot square upon sine, cos upon sine. Okay, cos upon sine, what will you get, then this tan inverse cot upon sine, you will get cot square x by 2. Okay, this square and this under root will cancel, then what will remain, tan inverse cot x by 2. Now this tan inverse and then this cot you cannot cancel, but tan cot converting tan means what, we have one formula, cot theta is equal to tan pi by 2 minus theta. Clear? So that tan inverse what will remain, tan in bracket pi by 2 minus x by 2. Okay, so this cancel, so what will remain, you will get y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, so then you will get dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is constant. Okay, so derivative of constant is 0, so minus and 1 upon 2 and derivative of x is 1, so the answer of this is minus 1 upon 2. This is an answer. Student, now question number 3. Question number 3, differentiate tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square with respect to x. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. Now solution, y is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, this is given and we have to differentiate. Student, अपने पास कुछ फार्मूले है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के, जैसे sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Then cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. अब देखो स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है, जैसे 2x 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, अगर मैं x के जगह tan थीटा रखता हूँ तो ये कंडीशन बन जाएगी 2 tan थीटा 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा। ओके, यहाँ पे कंडीशन हो जाएगी, और इसके जगह क्या पुट करेंगे, 2 tan थीटा, ये पुट कर सकते हैं ना, पुट x इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा। अगर x इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा करते हो तो ये tan को अगर इधर लाते हो तो क्या मिलेगा, थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स x मिल जाएगा। क्लियर? Now y is equal to tan inverse 2 into tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, this is a 2 tan theta, put here, y is equal to tan inverse into tan 2 theta, this tan inverse cancel, what will remain, 2 y is equal to 2 theta, and theta is equal to what, tan inverse, so y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, so that now this is differentiate with respect to x, then what will you get, dy by dx Okay, now this is 2 constant to put as it is, and derivative of tan inverse we have 1 plus x square. So that dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is an answer. Now student, question number 4, differentiate the sine inverse x 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. So this we have to differentiate, and we have these three formulae of the trigonometry. Okay, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now look here, this is sine given, and this formula 2x upon 1 plus x square means in place of x I put tan theta, then you can convert this in the form of this. Clear? So that now I am taking solution. Y is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here this is the given. Now we have to differentiate, or without before differentiation we have to put in place of x is equal to tan theta and convert theta is equal to tan inverse x. Clear? Now put in place of x tan theta, then what we get? Y is equal to sine inverse 2 into tan theta upon 1 minus 1 plus tan square theta, and 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Look this is the formula. In place of this you can put tan sine 2 theta, so that sine inverse sine 2 theta, this sine cancel, so what will remain? 2 theta, and what theta is equal to what? Tan inverse. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. So differentiate these. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So what will you get? Then dy by dx is equal to 2 put as it is because this is a constant, and derivative of tan inverse, that is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. As like you can solve. Now student, question number 5. Differentiate cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x, and by using these trigonometric formulae you can solve the differentiation of these. Okay, now y is equal to what is given? Cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is given. Okay, now इसके पहले जैसे अपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, सेम यहाँ पे भी वही करना है. इन प्लेस ऑफ x you have to put tan theta and convert theta is equal to tan inverse x. Clear that? Then what will you get? Y is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and 2 theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin theta. So you will get y is equal to cos inverse sin 2 theta. Student, this cos inverse, this sin inverse, पहले sin inverse sin था इसलिए cancel किया था, but this cos inverse and sin you cannot cancel. Okay, directly you cannot cancel. So first of all, this sin you have to convert in the cos. Means what? Which formula will you use? We have sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. This identity you will use, so that y is equal to, this is the trigonometry function. Okay, y is equal to cos inverse into cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Why 2 theta? Because here 2 theta given. Clear? So this cos cancel. So y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. This will remain respect to x, but here given cot theta. First of all, this theta convert in the form of x variable. So what will you get? Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into tan inverse x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. So what will we get? dy by dx is equal to pi, this is the constant, and derivative of constant is 0. अगर कोई वेरिएबल साथ में नहीं है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 होता है. यहाँ पे देखो 2 दिस 0 माइनस 2, ये 2 का डेरिवेटिव मैंने 0 नहीं लिखा क्योंकि इसके साथ फंक्शन गिवन है. ओके, सो अगर कोई फंक्शन अटैच हो कांस्टेंट टर्म के लिए तो वो कांस्टेंट एज इट इज रहता है. सो -2 एज इट इज इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 अपॉन tan इनवर्स tan इनवर्स x, that is 1 plus x square. Then what will we get? -2 upon 1 plus x square. This is an answer. Now student, question number 6. Differentiate sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to x, and by using this identity we can solve this. Okay, now what is given? Look, solution I am starting. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now look here, in place of x अगर अपन tan पुट करते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 1 minus tan square and upon 1 plus tan square, means put here x is equal to tan theta. Okay, and theta convert tan inverse x. So what will you get? Tan y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Clear that? And the formula of this 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So that this sin inverse into cos 2 theta, you cannot cancel this sin inverse and cos. First of all, this cos convert in sin. So what will you get? Sin inverse into sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Clear? This sign and this sign will cancel. Y is equal to what will remain? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. This 2 theta we have to differentiate, but this with respect to theta. So we have to differentiate here with respect to x. Theta convert in the form of x. So in place of theta, what will you put? Tan inverse x. So that y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then dy by dx is equal to derivative of constant is 0 minus 2 into 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then you will get this 2 into 2 into 1 plus x square. This is an answer.